Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Haven't done one of these for a while. I've been trying to cut down on the stuff that I buy in charity shops because it was getting rather out of hand, but I couldn't resist these today. This one is one of those escape robot kits, £2.50. At that price I couldn't leave it in the shop, although having said that, I do already have one that I haven't opened yet, or at least I've looked inside. It's still in the original plastic packaging. That one only cost me £2, so this one's an extra 50p and it's still in the plastic wrapping. So I've got two of them. I'm actually not keen to get started on them, just in case it's the sort of thing that my grandsons do at school, and it'd be handy to have them ready if they do that sort of thing at school. So, although now that I've got two, I could do one of them, couldn't I? Next, indoor boomerang. Wicked indoor foam boomerang. Boomer. I've got one by the same company, Night Boomer, which has a space in the middle for a glow stick. So when I saw this one, I thought I might buy it because the other one does work very well. This one was priced at £1.99, which, well, as I keep saying, that's double what I'd like to pay. I was rather amused that it says it's indoor and it's foam. Well, I don't know what sort of foam it's supposed to be, because that's pretty stiff. That's not soft stuff at all. And I can't see me trying that in our house anywhere. Don't have big enough rooms. Flight range 4 to 6 meters. Well, none of my rooms are that big. I did ask the woman in the shop whether I could try it in the shop, and she wasn't very keen on the idea. So I guess we'll try that outdoors. It looks like it makes a noise. It's got these little things on each wing, which I think will make it whistle. So I'll put that one in the car and we'll try that sometime when we're out. And then finally this, if it had been expensive, I definitely wouldn't have bought it. I would have wanted to, but I wouldn't have bought it. It was actually £2.99, which isn't too bad in the scheme of things. It's one of those wooden clip together kits, but it's got an electric motor and gearbox from the looks of it. And, well, it makes a, do you want to call that a digger, tractor, whatever. Looks like it's got steering as well, so I was looking at it in the shop trying to convince myself not to buy it, and thought, well, if it's got steering we could probably make it radio controlled. I'll undo the tape and we'll have a quick look inside. I peeked in the edge of it in the shop and I could see that it was still in its plastic wrapping, so I'm rather pleased with that. That does look interesting. Here's our motor. Yeah. So that's the back axle goes through there, front up here. Yeah, it has got steering. So we should be able to make that radio control. That could be fun. I might be doing this myself rather than leaving it for my grandsons. What have we got here? Glue, paintbrush. Don't see the paint. No, okay, so it looks like horror of horrors, we're missing the paint, which I don't think is a big deal, to be quite honest. In that picture it shows some paint pots, but I'm not particularly worried about that. That does look like an interesting kit to put together. Yeah. Okay, so that goes back in the box for now.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.